Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best sewing machines of 2023. If you're looking for a new sewing machine, this video is for you. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine is a great option for beginners and experienced sewers alike. It has 60 built-in stitches, including 7 styles of auto-size buttonholes, so you can create a variety of projects. The LCD display makes it easy to select stitches and settings, and the automatic needle threader makes threading a breeze. The machine also has a free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs, and a bright LED light for sewing in low light conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine. Pros: 60 built-in stitches, including 7 styles of auto-size buttonholes, LCD display for easy stitch selection and settings, automatic needle threader, free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs, bright LED light for sewing in low light conditions, lightweight and portable design. Affordable price. Cons: not as powerful as some more expensive machines. Some users have reported that the machine is not as quiet as they would like. The manual is not very user-friendly overall. The Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine is a great option for beginners and experienced sewers alike. It is easy to use, has a variety of features, and is very affordable. If you are looking for a sewing machine that can do it all, the CS5055 is a great choice. Here are some additional details about the Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine. The machine has a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute. It has a built-in needle threader, which makes threading the needle easy. The machine has a free arm, which is useful for sewing sleeves and cuffs. The machine has a bright LED light, which is helpful for sewing in low light conditions. The machine is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you to sewing classes or workshops. The machine is relatively affordable, making it a good option for budget-minded sewers. Number 4. The Brother HC1850 is a computerized sewing and quilting machine that is perfect for beginners and experienced sewers alike. It has a wide range of features that make it easy to use and versatile for a variety of projects. Here are some of the key features of the Brother HC1850. 185 built-in stitches, including 8 styles of one-step buttonholes and 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches for basic monogramming. LCD display with stitch selector and needle up-down button. 8 included sewing feet, including a quilting foot, buttonhole foot, zipper foot, and overcasting foot. Automatic threading system and drop-in bobbin. Detachable wide table for quilting. Free motion quilting capability. Adjustable sewing speed. Built-in stitch reference flip chart. 25-year limited warranty. The Brother HC1850 is a great value for the price, and is a good option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use sewing and quilting machine. It is not as advanced as some of the more expensive machines on the market, but it has everything you need to get started with sewing or quilting. Here are some pros and cons of the Brother HC1850. Pros: versatile for a variety of projects, easy to use for beginners, affordable, long warranty. Cons: not as advanced as some more expensive machines, does not come with a walking foot, not as portable as some other machines. Overall, the Brother HC1850 is a great sewing and quilting machine for the price. It is easy to use, versatile, and has a long warranty. If you are Number 3. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine is a great choice for sewers of all levels who need a machine that can handle heavy-duty fabrics. It has a powerful motor that can sew through multiple layers of denim or canvas with ease, and it also includes a variety of features that make sewing easier, such as an automatic needle threader and a one-step buttonhole. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. Pros: powerful motor, can sew through heavy-duty fabrics. Automatic needle threader makes threading the needle easy. One-step buttonhole makes creating buttonholes quick and easy. Top drop-in bobbin for easy bobbin winding. Stainless steel bed plate for smooth fabric, feeding heavy-duty metal frame for durability. Variety of presser feet included for different sewing tasks. Cons. Not as many features as some computerized sewing machines, not as portable as some lightweight sewing machines. Can be a bit noisy when sewing at high speeds. Overall, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine is a great choice for sewers who need a machine that can handle heavy-duty fabrics. It is easy to use and has a variety of features that make sewing easier. However, it is not as portable as some lightweight sewing machines and can be a bit noisy when sewing at high speeds. Here are some additional details about the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. It has 1100 stitches per minute, which is 30% faster than a standard sewing machine. It has a stainless steel bed plate that helps to prevent fabric from bunching or puckering. It has a heavy-duty metal frame that provides stability and durability. It comes with 6 presser feet, including a non-stick foot for sewing leather or vinyl. It is backed by a
Number 2. The Juki HZL F300 Sewing and Quilting Machine is a high-quality, computerized sewing machine that is perfect for both beginners and experienced sewists. It has a wide range of features that make it easy to use and versatile for a variety of projects, including 106 built-in stitches, including 16 automatic buttonholes and 3 lettering fonts, box feed system for precise feeding of all types of fabrics, automatic needle threading, and thread cutter LED light for bright, even sewing, large LCD display, with stitch selection and recommendations, free arm for sewing sleeves, cuffs, and other small projects, wide extension table for quilting and other large projects. The Juki HZL F300 is also a powerful machine that can handle heavy-duty fabrics and layers. It has a maximum stitch speed of 900 stitches per minute, so you can sew quickly and easily. The box feed system ensures that your stitches are always even and accurate, no matter what type of fabric you are sewing. Overall, the Juki HZL F300 is a great sewing machine for anyone who wants a powerful, versatile machine that is easy to use. It is perfect for both beginners and experienced sewists, and it can handle a wide range of projects. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Juki HZL F300 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Pros: powerful and versatile machine, easy to use, even for beginners, wide range of features, accurate and consistent stitches, durable and long-lasting. Cons: can be a bit expensive, not as portable as some other sewing machines. Some users have reported problems with the automatic needle threading. Overall, the Juki HZL F300 Sewing and Quilting Machine is a great option for anyone who wants a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use sewing machine. Number 1. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine is a great option for sewers of all levels. It has a wide range of features that make it easy to use even for beginners, as well as enough power and versatility to handle even the most challenging projects. Here are some of the key features of the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. 1172 stitch applications. This machine has a huge selection of stitches, including basic, decorative, and quilting stitches. You can also use the built-in alphabet to create custom text and monograms. 13 one-step buttonholes. The Quantum Stylus 9960 makes buttonholes a breeze with its 13 one-step buttonhole styles. Simply select the button size and the machine will automatically create a perfect buttonhole. Mirror imaging and elongation. This machine allows you to mirror and elongate stitches, giving you even more creative options. Needle up-down feature. The needle up-down feature makes it easy to pivot when sewing, such as when sewing on a pocket or top stitching. Built-in needle threader. This machine has a built-in needle threader, which makes threading the needle a quick and easy process. Thread cutter. The built-in thread cutter makes it easy to trim your threads without having to reach for scissors. Large LCD screen. The large LCD screen makes it easy to see the stitch settings and other machine information. Extension table. The included extension table provides a larger work surface, which is helpful for quilting or sewing large projects. 2 Stay Bright LED lights. The 2 Stay Bright LED lights provide bright, even lighting for your sewing projects. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 also comes with a variety of accessories, including 9 presser feet. The included presser feet allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as quilts, clothes, and home decor. Twin needles. The twin needles allow you to sew 2 layers of fabric at once, which is helpful for sewing heavy fabric.